Well, I've got my old Lifelike grease gun. So old, the grease is good, but the plastic is cracked so it won't push out, so just get it out a different way. Now let's just give it a little run. Got some grease on there. Now a little light gear oil. Let's use this light one on the side rods. Okay, we know it wants to go in one direction, that's good. But gotta get it to go to the opposite direction. Just gotta put a few more little micro drops. There's a little axle grease here. Again, I haven't touched the motor. I really don't want to touch the motor. Because again, you never know, the tinker with old things, you know, you're asking for trouble sometimes. And she loves to go in that direction. Oh, see the bind. Son of a gun, what is going on? Yeah, she's locked up tighter than... Wow. Oh, what a sad thing. That means there's something wrong with the side rods. Now, sometimes weird things happen because the train's upside down. But that is not a happy sound. And she was running so nicely. What in the world could be locking this up? Wow, she is locked tighter than Hades' door. The soul's trying to escape. Wow, she is locked up. She's like frozen tight. This looks like there is no choice but to go in and save the beast.